Hello everybody, today in front of me I have the Realme 10 smartphone, and in this video we would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features of this device. So to start off, I would like to demonstrate that you can set up the fingerprint recognition as the screen lock method. So first step is to launch settings, then you gotta enter the security category, I guess. So password and security. In here, go for the fingerprint, continue. Prior to installing any biometrical way of screen lock, it is also required that you set up the backup screen lock method as well, the available options that you can choose from are the numeric type, pattern, or alphanumeric. I'll go with pattern, then I'll draw the pattern that I would like to use, then confirm it and redraw it. After that we can start enrolling the fingerprint. The scanner is located at the side power key, right on it basically. So just lay and lift your finger onto the scanner until the entire surface of it will be completely recognized and scanned respectively. Make sure to slightly rotate your finger so the sensor will be able to, correctly and entirely scan the fingerprint. So it's a very simple process. It takes some time, but nothing really complicated about it. So we can also follow the visual clues and scan the areas that are grayed out. So once we did that, we can tap on the done button and start using our fingerprint to unlock the display. As you can see, the sensor works perfectly fine. It does not recognize another fingerprints from even another fingers. So great success. The next feature is located at the display and brightness category. In here, you want to open the screen refresh rate section. So two values to choose from, 60 and 90 Hz. Long story short, the higher value will get you smoother and silkier visual experience. The lower value will provide you with longer battery life, so your smartphone will run, will be able to run more time on a single battery charge. Or you can also set it to be automatically selected, which will mean that the system will, as you could already guess, automatically switch the display refresh rate in accordance with whatever that you are currently doing. Next feature is, should be located at the system category of settings. So let me enter it real quick. So here it is, the system settings. Onwards, you gotta go for the system navigation, and in here we can switch it, the system navigation itself, between buttons and gestures type. Currently it is set to be gestures. If we'll switch it to buttons, as you will be able to see at the bottom part of a display, the 3 digital buttons appear, which will be used instead of gestures. As far as the system navigation goes, you can change the button layout as well. I'm myself more of the gestures navigation enjoyer, so I'll set it back to gestures. If you are new to it, you can undergo this tutorial, which will teach you all the gestures that you need to know. Alrighty, so the next feature is located at the personalizations category. So let me enter it. It is called the always on display. In order to turn it on, just switch or activate this toggle. Choose the display option for it. You can set it to be shown only if the only a few seconds after the screen is locked. Set some time frames for it to be active, as well as set it to be permanently active. Then choose what information you would like for it to display. And now there are quite a few designs you can choose from, so some personalized stuff, and system provided like a bunch of digital clocks, solutions, analog clock, images, some cool Realme Meow, or whatever is that they call it, Real Meow. or some image. In here you can also change the text color. And now once we lock our device, we'll be able to see the always on display that we have set. Alrighty, so moving on to the fifth and final feature that I wanted to highlight today. In order to access it, you gotta also launch settings, then enter the about device category and go for the RAM. As you can see currently, in my case, the RAM expansion feature is active, and the random access memory amounts I have on this device is increased by 8 GB, but you can set it to be 6 or 4. And well, in order to turn it on at the first place, just switch this toggle on, choose for how many gigabytes you would like to expand your RAM. So you can go with as many as 4, 6 or 8 GB. And in order for the changes to take effect, you gotta, well, restart the device, reboot it, which you can do by simultaneously touch and pressing the power and volume up keys and going for the restart. I will not do that since in my case this feature is already active, but once you have activated it or switched it on and chose the expand by value, just restart the phone and you will be able to see the difference right away. Alrighty, so I guess that will be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.